Just jumping on here to give a quick review of the Dyson V15. I think it's an excellent vacuum. I have it here. I'm going to upstairs. I'm going to do the rugs. So I have this attachment. It didn't really say in the instructions what attachment does what, but I mean, it's kind of basic. You get it. I figured it out. That's what I'm using. Anyway, it's supposed to, the hair's not going to get caught. It hasn't yet. It has, I know you have people, don't like the fact that you have to hold the button down here. I don't mind it. My house is small. I don't vacuum for hours on end, so I take breaks. But I think it works really, really good, and it gives you how much time you have left on the charge here. This is these attachments because I'm cleaning upstairs real quick. This one is with the green light, so it tells you where the dirt is. This one is for upholstery, and this one is for all those little nooks and crannies and whatnot. And then you could, you could move this. There's like a little part that comes out, and I guess you could just use it for real narrow areas. But I think it works really great. I think it sounds really, really cool when it's on, and then when you shut it off, it just it has that like some kind of a laser thing go on and off. But I really think it's a good buy. I know that Amazon is having sales, the Black Friday sales. I think it starts the 21st, 22nd. I'm not sure, but if you could get it, save your money up. Even if you have to go to an older model, it might be a little bit cheaper, but it is worth every penny. I love this. I'm just going to show you real quick. This is an old one. This is a thicker mug. I love them. And just regular cord. I think this is an exceptional buy. It is a really, really exceptional vacuum. I think you'll enjoy it. Don't hesitate.
Okay, I just wanted to show you that it gives you the breakdown of the particles. I don't know if you can see that or not, which is really awesome about this one. And it gives you how much time you got left. It's got really good suction power. I don't know if you can see that though, but it tells you. Okay, the V15. It's super nice. It has, what I like about it the most is that, I was getting some cobwebs up, that's why I was doing that, is the readout. It tells you your dust mites, your allergens. I think another one of theirs does the same thing, but I think that's an awesome thing. I really love it. What's not to love about this vacuum cleaner? It has it's awesome suction power. It's lightweight. The batteries keep it charged forever, it seems like. Well, not forever, but I'm down to 17 minutes, and I've been going at it for about, I don't know, 38 minutes so far, and I still got 17 minutes left on the battery, so that's a pretty good chunk of time for sure. Anyway, I like it, and that's the V15.